In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert PDF to PowerPoint. By the end, you'll know the simplest ways to turn a PDF into a .pptx file you can edit and present, plus what to watch out for so your slides look the way you expect. Let's start with the easiest option, Adobe's free online converter. Open your browser and go to the Adobe PDF to PowerPoint converter. On the page, click Select a file, then choose the PDF you want to convert from your computer or cloud storage. Once you've selected it, the conversion starts automatically. Give it a moment to process, especially if your file is large or has lots of images. When it's done, download the PowerPoint file in .pptx format. This method usually does a great job preserving layout, images, and fonts, so your slides should closely match the original PDF. After downloading, open the file in PowerPoint and skim through each slide to confirm everything carried over correctly. If you prefer alternatives, there are several reliable online converters that follow the same simple flow. Tools like Small PDF, I Love PDF, and Canva offer a straightforward experience. Upload your PDF, convert it, and download the resulting PPT file. The interface may look different from site to site, but the process is essentially the same. Many of these tools are free for basic use, and they're helpful when you just need a quick conversion without extra features. A few important tips will help you get the best results. If your PDF was created from a scan, the text may actually be an image. In that case, you might need optical character recognition, or OCR, to make the text editable in PowerPoint. Some converters handle this automatically, while others may not. So check a slide or two to see if you can click and edit the text. Be aware that complex layouts such as multi-column pages, dense tables, or unusual fonts can sometimes shift during conversion. That's normal, and a quick post-conversion review can catch these issues. Tweak font sizes, adjust alignment, and verify that images and charts look sharp. It's also smart to keep a copy of your original PDF handy so you can compare and ensure nothing important got lost. That's it. Use Adobe's free converter when you want the most seamless result. Or try other popular online tools if you need a quick alternative. Download the .pptx, open it in PowerPoint, review the slides, and make small fixes as needed. With these methods, converting a PDF to a PowerPoint is fast, simple, and presentation ready.